Hi, Jenny here. Today I wanted to make a quick snack, so we're going to make some sour cream muffins with chocolate chips. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need half a cup of butter softened, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of regular sugar, 2 eggs, half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of milk, 2 1/8 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of chopped nuts, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. First we are going to cream together our butter and our sugars, and then we're going to add the eggs. We will now add our half a cup of milk and half a cup of sour cream and also blend that really well. Now we will just add all the rest of the ingredients and mix it well. We will preheat the oven to 400 degrees, and then we're going to fold in our chocolate chips and our nuts. I'm using pecans today, and what I have are already they're bits and pieces, so I'm just going to use them the way they are. If you have nuts that are either like in halves or bigger and stuff, you may want to chop them up, but these should be small enough I can just add them in. I lined a muffin tin with some paper wrappers. You can do that if you want, or else just spray it with a nonstick spray. And then we will fill these up. This should make about 18 muffins. So I have another pan off to the side. We'll start with this. Ooh, these are thick. All right, let me get a spoon. Alright, I ended up getting 20 muffins out of this. So now we're going to bake them, like I said, at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. I need hot pans. Alright, oven has beeped. We shall test them with a toothpick and make sure that they're done. Smell good. Well done. Oh, yeah. All right. The muffins are cooled now. Yay, I'm hungry. This is breakfast. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the recipe for this down in the description below. And if you haven't yet subscribed, if you would please do so, I would appreciate that. And for all of those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So I hope you're having some fun coming along this journey with me. All right, now I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. There's the chocolate. So good.